Hello, everybody, and welcome to the class again. I hope you all are doing good, staying home, staying safe, and studying lots and lots of things. And in today's class, we will be discussing about nutrition in ruminants. So, ruminants are the animals, those who digest their food in two steps. They swallow food and then bring it back again from the second chamber of the stomach to continue chewing it. So, those animals are called ruminants. And the process of swallowing the food and then bringing it back into the mouth to chew it again is called rumination. Some of the examples are given here in the picture: cattle, sheep, goats, deer, elk. All these are the ruminants, and they are digesting their food in two steps. First of all, they will be swallowing the food and then at a whole, and then they are bringing it back to the mouth and they are chewing it and slowly digesting it. So let's see in detail how this digestion takes place. Before that, let's get into the topic of teeth of cow. One of the ruminant, cow is one of the ruminant, and we will be seeing about how the mouth structure, what all teeth are there in the cow. So the cow will have a well developed incisors on their lower jaw to cut the food into pieces. So they will be having incisors in their front lower jaw in the front, and they will be, with the help of incisors, they will be cutting the grasses, but they do not have canine. Canine is absent in cow. At the back of mouth, strong premolars and molars are present on both sides of the upper and lower jaw for grinding grasses. So at the whole, they will be having a three types of teeth, that is incisors, premolars and molars. Canines are absent in cow. And here the picture given here, you can see in the picture they will be having 32 teeth in total, front 8 incisors and other back 3 premolars and 3 molars. All these type of teeth is there in the picture. It is beautifully given. Digestion of food in cow. So let's get into the digestion, how the digestion is taking place in the cow. Cow have a specialized digestion process to digest cellulose. As cows are herbivores, they eat only grasses, so they are consuming a large amount of grasses which is having cellulose in its cell wall. So they have a specialized digestive system so that they can digest the cellulose. The digestive tract of cow consists of mouth, esophagus, four-chambered muscular stomach, small intestine and large intestine. In the picture given here, you can clearly see the esophagus, you can see the small intestine, you can see the large intestine, you can see stomach, rumen, etc. in the picture. So this is digestive system or the digestive tract of a cow. It includes mouth, esophagus, four-chambered muscular stomach, small intestine and large intestine. Members of the stomach of are rumen, reticulum, omasum and abomasum. So these are the four chamber of a cow, and in the eighth chamber plays an important role in different things. They have their own function. So basically the stomach of cow have four chambers, namely rumen, reticulum, omasum and abomasum. So in each chamber they will be having a different function. The first is rumen, the largest compartment, the storage place, and helps in the digestion of some parts of the food, that is cellulose. So as the cow consumes the food at a whole and it gets stored into the rumen. First of all, the cow will be chewing and taking the food into the stomach. Firstly, it will go to the first chamber of a stomach, that is rumen, and it gets stored there. As the cow is consuming a large amount of food at a whole, at a one go, they will be taking the food as a whole and it will be stored into the rumen, and little bit of digestion takes place here. After that, the food goes to the second chamber, that is reticulum. Here, the further bacterial fermentation of food takes place and result in the formation of partially digested soft chunks of food called the curd. So here the bacterial fermentation takes place and the digestion takes place in the reticulum, and the soft pulpy thing we get, and that is known as curd. The gut is brought back from the reticulum to the mouth, where it is chewed thoroughly and is mixed with more of saliva, forms pulp. This is called chewing the cud. So, from the first chamber, the food goes to the second chamber. It is partially digested there, and that digested or partially digested food is known as cud. Then, from the second chamber, it goes back to the mouth again, where it mixes with the saliva, and that mixing of the saliva takes place, and we get a food, the digested food, the partially digested food, and that food is known as pulp, and the process is known as chewing the cud. After that, the food goes to the third chamber, that is known as omasum. It contains folds of tissue. The excess of water is absorbed from the pulp, and this is passed into the fourth chamber. So, in the third chamber, the food is sent to the third chamber, and in the third chamber, the pulp, the extra water from the pulp is absorbed in the omasum, as it has a tissues, the folded tissues is present there, which helps in the absorbing of the water from the pulp. After that, the food goes to the fourth chamber, that is known as abomasum. It is also known as true stomach because it has a glandular lining on its wall. The glandular walls give out hydrochloric acid and digestive enzymes need for further breakdown of the food. So the fourth chamber is also known as true stomach. Here the glandular linings are present, which secretes hydrochloric acid and some digestive enzymes. So food get digested here in the fourth chamber. After that, the food is passed into the small intestine for complete digestion and absorption of the nutrient. The waste food is ingested from there time to time through the opening of the intestine to the exterior. So, this is how the digestion takes place in the cow. Hope you got so much, not so much, but I hope you got the information needful to you. Please, as I told you in the beginning, also, thanks for watching. And if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon so that every time you will get notified. Thank you so much.